we are going to create a spelling corrector. So I guess as you have seen, I've been making very much silly mistakes when I'm just typing. So as you can see, I just made a mistake with correction spelling also. I won't be changing it as of now. Oh, it's a file name, so sorry. So let's name it as spell. Okay, so we are going to create a spelling correction in order to find what is the wrong word and correct it dynamically. So first, for that we are going to install using pip install text blob. Blob means binary large object. Okay, so let us begin from text blob import text blob. Okay, now let's gonna define it and convert it into a string. Yeah, li equals to list. Li means list. I'm going to create a list. You can see here we go. Now we are going to return the list back. Like we have just taken the whole of the uh, word or sentence or character, and then we have split it into a list. Now we are going to start our word. So string 1 equals to, let us take the input. We are going to take the word and enter your word. Let us keep it, move ahead. Words equals to convert str1 corrected words to like this. For I in words corrected words dot append, call the text blob. I'm going to print it like print. Don't put it here, put it here. Yeah, print wrong words comma words. Yeah, here we go. Let's keep on moving forward. When I'm code now, I basically tend to keep my mouth shut. However, as I've started this thing, I feel that it is necessary to keep on speaking. Not like you can even put the stuff on mute. I thought let's keep some music from the next tab onward, so that um, you can understand or you can have fun. Or what we can do is, while I code, we'll play some music. I don't think so that would be a great idea, because that would go for a copyright na. Anyways, we finished our spelling correction. Okay, you can find all of these repositories and stuff on our GitHub, which would be mentioned under the bio. I hope it would be great. So let us run it. Okay, no module name text block. Okay, so sorry, I haven't installed text block, so it would be giving me an error. I won't be showing you my terminal post making the corrections. You can find that it works. However, I am not in the condition to show you like what exactly and how it's going to run. Or am I in the condition? I don't know. We can even check it on online GDB. Let's check it on online. No, I can't just show you my tabs. So sorry for that. So bye bye.